Hello friends, dear students. Our today's topic is the homogeneous linear differential equation. And this equation is also called Cauchy-Euler equation. Today's topic is very helpful for State University, Calcutta University and varieties college students for pass and honors also, and for engineering students, BCA or b.tech students also. Considering the topic that you have already know about d operator, that is like some d squared y minus 5 dy plus 10y equals to sin x. It has been solved by finding complementary function and particular integral, and the final general solution will be y gs equals to y cf plus y pi. This type of thought already generated on your brain and you have already know about this. So my next topic is the homogeneous linear equation, that is today's topic. And the sums or problems is like x square d square y minus 5x dy plus 10y equals to sin x, or it may be e to the power x, or it may be log x, or etc. What is the difference between basic d operator maths and the homogeneous linear differential equation? There is no x square terms or x terms here, but you can see there is x square, there x, you can see it. We write now the general form of the homogeneous linear equation or Cauchy-Euler equation, like x to the power n t to the power n y by dx to the power n plus p1 x to the power n minus 1 d to the power n minus 1 by dx to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus p n minus 1 x dy by dx plus p n y equals to any function of x. To solve these type of problems or sums, we have to put first x equals to e to the power t, or t equals to log x. You have already know about this conversion. Here you can see dt by dx equals to 1 by x. Now here dy by dx equals to, we can write dy by dt into dt by dx. dy by dt into 1 by x from this. So we have x dy by dx equals to dy by dt, and it is the needful for our sum, and you can see the expression x dy dx. Here is it is this, you can see x dy dx, and also here x capital dy, that is it is dy dx. So x dy dx, x dy dx, and also x dy dx. So where we can see x dy dx, there we can put the value dy by dt. Now naming it d by dt equals to theta. Let, so we can write here dy by dt equals to theta t. Okay. Now such a manner we can also find d square y by dx square. What is d square y by dx square? D square y by dx square equals to d by dx of dy by dx, that is d by dx of the value 1 by x dy by dt, 1 by x dy by dt. Now by UV rules of derivative we can write minus 1 by x square dy by dt plus 1 by x into d by dx of dy by dt. Here you can see UV rules, keeping v with derivative u and keeping u with derivative v. Now we have minus 1 by x square dy by dt plus 1 by x. Here we take the rule of chain rule. Okay, I will break the issue. We can write it like this, dy by dt into dt by dx. What is the reason? Here we have to derivative with respect to x. We change the variable, writing t instead of x. So here we write actually dt in denominator. You can think that. So here in numerator we write dt. And what is the basic derivable operator? This is dx, so write in here. Now we can write minus 1 by x square dy by dt plus 1 by x t square y by dt square, and the value of dt dx, is here 1 by x, so we write 1 by x, and here you can see, taking common of 1 by x square, we have d square y by dt square minus dy by dt. Now we can write x square into d square y by dx square equals to d square y by dt square minus dy by dt. That is equals to theta square t minus theta t, where this is, there is d by dt equals to theta, we already taken. So for d square y by dt square we can put here theta square t, and for dy by dt we can put theta t, and we have taking common of theta, so theta minus 1 t. Then what we will get? Here x dy dx equals to theta t. Here x d square y by dx square equals to theta into theta minus 1 into t. We can write it now in phase zone. Here we have x dy by dx equals to theta t, x square d square y by dx square equals to theta into theta minus 1 into t, x cubed d cubed y by dx cubed equals to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2 into t, and such a way we can find the higher order also. Taking a math, it will be helpful for you. X cubed d cubed y by dx cubed plus 3x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx equals to 65 cos log x. At first you have to prove these values, that is you have to find out these values by previous methods what we have already shown. Now putting the value in this equation number 1, we have theta t plus 3 theta into theta minus 1 into t, sorry, mistake, I will cross it, mm, for x cube d cube y dx cube, we have theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2 into t. For x square d square y by dx square, we have 3 into theta minus 1 into t. For x dy dx y, we have plus theta t, and equals to 65 cos log x. The value of log x we have already taken. The value of log x we have already taken, that is t. So we can put here 65 cos t. Now calculating the problems, we can rewrite here this calculation. We have get the value theta cubed we have, sorry, there is a problem also. Here x dy dx equals to theta y, here also theta y, here also theta y, and there is also theta y, here theta y, here theta y, because here is y. And we can back to previous page, we can see, here we take d by dt equals to theta, that is d by dt equals to theta, here is y, so it is also theta y, and here it is also theta square y, it is theta y, it is theta into theta minus 1 into y. Now we have correct it, sorry for this. Here is theta y, theta into theta minus 1 y, here the value of x cube d cube y by dx is theta into theta minus 1 theta minus 2 y. So putting the values of this, we have this, and calculating it, we can find theta cubed plus 8 into y equals to 65 cos t. Now we have to mainly solve this by d operator concept, that is we have to find first CF and then we have to find PI. You can solve this, that is the regular problem, but I have solved this problem here. The auxiliary equation, of 2 is m cubed plus 8 equals to 0, implies m equals to minus 2 minus 2 omega square, that is minus 2 1 plus or minus I root 3. For confusion, you can check it by solve the problem. So the CF will be here is the real root, so capital A e to the power minus 2t plus here the pair of imaginary root, so e to the power t. In the pair of imaginary root there is the real part and this is the imaginary part, so the value of real part is 1, here is 1 into t, that is e to the power 1 t in bracket b cos in imaginary part root 3 sorry, so root 3t plus c sin root 3t, where ABC are arbitrary constant. A, B, C are arbitrary constant. Now we have to find the Pi. For Pi, Yp equals to 1 by theta cubed plus 8 on the problem 65 cos t. 65 cos t. We have already know the rule about trigonometric problems. After taking common the constant 65, now we have to put instead of theta square equals to minus a square, where a is in the angle with t. Here in the angle of cos with t there is nothing, so the value of a is 1. So we have put theta square equals to minus 1 square, that is minus 1. So here we can write 1 by, for theta square we can put minus 1, there is already a theta also, plus 8 on the value cos t. Now we have to multiply by its conjugate operator, that is 8 plus theta. So here we have 8 square after multiplying numerator and denominator by 8 plus theta, we have 8 plus theta divided by 8 square minus theta square on cos t. Here again we put the value of theta square, that is minus 1. Then we have 65 and here 8 plus theta, here 64 plus 1, 64 plus 1 on the function cos t. Here we have the value 65 can be crossed, so 8 plus theta on the value cos t. Here we have 8 cos theta, 8 cos t plus the derivative of cos t with respect to theta, that is with respect to t. Then we have minus sin t. So the particular integral value here 8 cos log x minus sin log x, the value of t we can put here. Also in complementary function we have to put the value of t. So the final general solution will be ygs equals to yc plus yp. That is, we have to add the value of yc, putting the value of t obviously, and the value of yp here we have already. We can get the total value, the general solution of y. Okay, student, now you have to solve some problems. I will give you in your WhatsApp group by PDF format. Please check it. Okay, bye.